Well, I'm here with my Sig Sauer 226 20 round mag. I'm gonna put it in my Taurus. I'm probably about 7 yards or so from the target. I'm just mainly doing a little test to see how they feed in the Taurus G2 Millennium here. So you know, quick time, range time, and yeah, I'm just gonna one hand shoot it here, see how we go. No mishaps. I was just using some PCM ammo, and you know, I didn't blast it fast, but I was just shooting down range here, and yeah, I like the 226. You know, mag for it. Like I said before, it's OEM mag. It's for Sig Sauer. You know, again, I don't know if I would put this in my pocket because it hangs out a bit, but yeah, you know, yeah, man. Thanks for watching, guys. Support the channel. Leave your comments. All right, bye.